This is breaking news from News 8.
Good afternoon. Fearing a winter surge of COVID cases and hospital admissions, this morning, Governor Kathy Hochul announcing a mask mandate statewide. Beginning Monday, masks will be required to be worn in all indoor public places unless that business or venue implements a vaccine requirement. Alex Love joining us from the newsroom with more. Alex, good afternoon.
Good afternoon to you, Mark. That's right. Governor Kathy Hochul announced this new order just hours ago, stating anyone who goes out to a business where you're indoors has to mask up. The only exception is if that business has a vaccine mandate already in place. This applies to both customers and staff members. It goes into effect December 13th and will remain in place until January 15th, when the state can reevaluate where we are at. Governor Kathy Hochul explained this is to stop the winter surge of COVID-19 cases and hospitalizations, which are still on the rise across New York. This announcement comes as the state since Thanksgiving saw its 7-day averaging case rate increase by 43% and hospitalizations have increased by 29%. The Finger Lakes region alone is seeing the highest rate of cases and hospitalizations since the beginning of 2021. Governor Hochul compared trends like these all over the state compared to New York City, which per capita are lower due to vaccine rates being higher and mandates by businesses in effect.
Many people in New York City are already dealing with this. Been dealing with it for a while. You've been doing great. And that is why your hospital capacity is good. That's why your vaccination numbers are high. Your infections are not as high as the rest of the state. But the rest of the state now has a wake-up call. I've been warning. I've been saying, if we can't get more people vaccinated or boosted, I have to protect people, but also the economy.
The governor went on to say with this mask mandate in place, New York can avoid having to shut down businesses or avoid isolation practices. However, violators to this mandate could face civil or even criminal penalties of up to $1,000 per violation. Mark?
Alex, thank you for the live update. This measure will be in place again until January 15th. As Alex said, it could be extended if necessary. We are looking for reaction from County Executive Adam Bello and the County Health Department as well as to how this could be enforced on a local level. Look for updates later today here on News 8.